Good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel. Bridget here. Today I am just going to show you a simple Anglo-Indian beef steak or beef chops.
It's also known as masala chops, and it was made very regularly in my home when I was a child in KGF. So let's get started. So first of all, you need half kg beef undercut, cut into steaks or chops, and you could flatten them if you like. Then we're going to marinate with 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of chillie powder, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, one tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. If I use white vinegar, synthetic vinegar, you could use whatever vinegar you like. So now we add in 2 tablespoons of oil, and now just marinate, mix all well together so that everything soaks into the meat, and you keep it aside for around 5 to 6 hours, or you could leave it in the fridge overnight. Now we begin by adding the marinated meat into a pan. There's no need to add any more oil because the oil is already there when marinating. First, we start frying on high heat so that the chops get braised a little. So, open them out so that they lie flat on the pan. So, raise the heat and just let them braise for a little while. You could keep turning over so that all sides get start changing color, and the chops also shrink a little. So once the water comes out from the meat, you can add just sufficient water to cover the chops. And now you can just close the pan and simmer on low heat.
So now I'm going to raise the heat and let it dry up. So as you can see, most of the water is dried up and the meat is also cooked. So what I'm going to do now is add the onions,
Add the tomatoes
and the tomatoes. So these are 2 tomatoes and 2 onions that I've sliced. So once again, cover and let it simmer for a few minutes. So now you can see that it's cooking really well, and the gravy is reducing. So we just have to keep cooking till all the gravy sort of reduces. Mix it well. You can turn down the heat a little. Again close and let it simmer for a little while. So now you can see that most of the water or the gravy has evaporated. So what we'll do now that we are mixing it, keep turning over well. You can see that it's getting a lovely color, and then now that you can see that most of the gravy has evaporated, we could add in our potatoes at this stage. So one by one you can add in your boiled potatoes and mix very gently so that the potatoes get coated with the mixture. There's really no need to mix very hard. Okay, and then you can add as many potatoes as you like. I've used 3 potatoes. Very, very gently you have to turn over the meat and mix. Okay, that's over. And our masala chops with potatoes are ready. So you could serve them out onto a platter, and you can see how delicious this Anglo-Indian masala steaks or masala chops is. It goes very well with bread or with chapattis, or even as a side dish with pepperwater and rice. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did bringing it to you. Such an easy recipe for Anglo-Indian steaks or chops, and you just marinate with these very few ingredients and keep it aside for about 4-5 hours, and then you slow cook on sim till the meat is tender. And this goes very well with bread or chapattis, dinner rolls, or even with pepperwater and rice. So thank you for watching, and so if you like this video, do like and share it, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.